Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve the problem if your Toca Boca World game keeps on glitching out and you experience various different errors. So let's get started right away. Now, if you're experiencing glitches within the Toca Boca World game and you are not able to play the game properly, then in order to solve this issue, the first thing that you will need to check is to make sure that you are updated to the latest version of the game. So open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device. Once you open it up, tap on the search box and then type in Toca Boca World and start your search. Once you find the game, go ahead and click on it. And if you see an update button instead of play, then you will need to tap on this button in order to update the game into the latest version. Once the update process is completed, you will once again see the play button, which you can tap on and then see if this has fixed your issue. If it still doesn't work, then the next thing to do is to clear your application data and cache. Be advised that this process will also remove all of your progress that you currently have saved within your game. So in order to progress forward, open up your phone settings and then open up the applications. From the apps menu, go ahead and locate the Toca Boca World game and then tap on the application once you find it. Now from this page, tap on Force Stop first and then tap on OK to stop the application. After doing so, you can tap on Storage. And now you can tap on Clear Cache in order to clear all of the application cache. After doing this, go back and open up the game and see if this fixes your issue. And if it still doesn't work, then you can also try clearing your storage. After following these steps, you can now go back into the Toca Boca World game and you will need to begin all the way from the starting. However, now all of your issues will be fixed. And there you have it. That is how you can fix glitches on the Toca Boca World game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.